Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars, my beautiful friends. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin is holding around the $38,000 levels, currently up 3.4% today. Let's get straight into Dogelon to Mars. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. We are currently up almost 20% today. It's a beautiful thing. All of you beautiful people in the Patreon are sitting pretty around these 5 to 7 levels averaged in. So congratulations. We have seen some volume start to thicken up, and we have indeed broken our previous resistance level here at the 9. So today we want to close above the 9 levels. That will be confirmation that we will be continuing to the upside to around at least these 10 levels. We will be testing the 10 levels again, seeing if we can break through. However, we will most likely see some selling pressure and a retracement back down to these 9s. Now, if the markets are super bullish and they continue through that $40,000 level on Bitcoin, then we could very well break through this with no selling pressure at all in the slightest, my friends. This is looking very beautiful. It's a great time. It's still a great time to begin averaging your break-even down and average more in around these levels, around these 9 levels. It's a great time. Not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire, my friends. Check it out. So, for all you long-term traders, this is what we need to look out for. Right now would be a beautiful time to continue averaging in. However, we want to see this candle close above the 9 levels today. If it closes above the 9 levels today, consider averaging more in. If it doesn't, that means we could very well come back down and test right around these 8 levels to 7.6 levels. Got it? Cool. That's what we need to look out for in the daytime. So to make it easy, if it closes above 9, average more. If it closes below 9, wait, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and wait for the next video, because I will help you guys out, giving you the best in-depth action, my friends. Now, don't get too excited yet, because we could see another reversal in the overall market. If that happens, then we will continue back to the downside. However, let's just give a quick look-a-rooski on what's going on. So you see we are kind of staggering up, making higher lows. Nothing too crazy. However, if we hold above these $38,000 levels today, that means we will be coming back up to test these $40,000 levels. And based on these candlesticks here, we will probably see some selling pressure before breaking through it. These candlesticks are staggering higher. Okay, it's just staggering higher. It's nothing too strong. Volume is even tapering down, so it's not even looking too bullish. This is actually, we gotta wait. It's not looking bullish nor bearish, just because it's making higher lows, staggering higher. Now, if it makes another green candle pushing up to these $40,000 levels, that would be more bullish. However, we will probably see some selling pressure around here. So, the reason why I talk about Bitcoin a lot is because it really does affect this chart here. It affects every other coin. It affects the overall market. So that's what we're looking for. Dogelon to Mars looking beautiful. Those of you in the 5 levels, you're going to be up about 100% within the next few days. So congratulations, especially those of you in the Patreon. If you want to join the Patreon, get real-time buy and sell alerts, I'll leave the link in the description. Go check it out. There's a few spots. I believe there's probably 6 spots left. So if you want to join that growing community of smart-ass people, check it out, my friends. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. So, shoot, man. Crypto billionaire 69. I'm excited, guys. Get this started. This new year started off to the best start it can absolutely get, because we are getting so good prices, so nice prices right now, allowing us to average in before the next New Year spike. So it's gonna be a beautiful thing. And I'm very excited, because we're going to make a lot of life-changing gains this year, and I'm excited to meet you guys in Bali. Us in the Patreon, the little community going on, the Elon gang, we're going to go skydiving in Bali whenever we make a freaking crap ton of money on this. So it's a beautiful thing. Oh, all right. Yeah, so we are holding around these 0.786 Fibonacci levels. Currently, we got to go back up and test these 10 levels. That would be the 0.618 levels, but we're looking very nice on the charts. Now, don't get too excited yet. It's still very premature. We don't have confirmation that we are moving higher in the overall markets, so that means we don't have confirmation that we are moving higher in Dogelon Mars either. However, we want to close above the 9 levels today, showing that our higher lows are in fact valid, and we will continue to the upside to these 10 levels if Bitcoin also continues to the upside. It's a beautiful thing, my friends. If you want to learn how to day trade, this is more swing trade tactics right here. Look at this bull formation. More swing trade tactics. So it's pretty much getting the best price, holding for weeks to months. If you want to learn how to trade and make a lot of money. Now, don't get me wrong. It's actually less risky. Day trading, if you want to learn how to day trade, listen in, all right? Day trading is a lot less risky than swing trading is, in my opinion, okay? Because with swing trading, you have to take into account news, all right? If the overall sentiment absolutely goes bonkers and it's really negative, then that's something you just simply can't predict. However, day trading is very, very predictable, and I'll show you exactly how. So, first of all, it has to deal with the overall emotional cycles of the market and what people are looking for at this time. So, let's just go off of this right here. All right, look at this. Oh, excuse me, gosh. It came down, right? Showed support around these 9 levels, okay? Showed support, absolutely spiked, okay? Now, if you look to the left, you see these 9 levels are also support over here. Big volume. So as it comes down, you want to start adding in, all right? And there's a bunch of indicators. I don't have any indicators on right now, but there's a bunch of indicators you can put on, secret indicators that not many people know about. Only the hedge funds know about these type of indicators. And it's only like 2 indicators. It's a beautiful thing. It's really simple. But you would average in here, right? Continue average in as it comes down to this recent support. As it spikes, you'll use indicators to average out. And you keep doing that. As it spikes, you'll see once it's time to sell on these certain indicators. And it's a beautiful thing. If you guys want to learn this stuff, I have created a day trading course. Check it out. Link in the description. But it is, with my methods, the one strategy that got me from working a 9-to-5 job to now making a living with crypto. It's simply hard to lose money if you follow the tactics, all right? Because pretty much how I do it is you mitigate so much risk that you don't lose money, all right? It's really, really simple. It's a great thing. I'll give you a little sneak peek. So, see this? Breaks through right when you see some selling pressure on the level 2, all right? Now, this is 4-hourly chart, so it's different, right? But you'll get the memo. On the level 2, you'll see some selling pressure. I'll teach you how to do all that, how to read the selling pressure. That's when you want to see if it's worth holding or averaging out a little bit at a profit, all right? Once you average out, you can see it comes down. You can watch if it shows support along these next support levels here. And as it did, that means you would hold, all right? Comes back up. Watch it create this. You want to watch this next resistance level because we just had another top here, right? So as it comes up, if it starts to create a double top, boom, boom, that means it is more likely to continue to a downtrend because a double top means strong resistance. So if you start seeing it make double tops, and especially you see this hammer candle, inverse hammer candle going on right here, that would be a sign to average the rest of your portfolio out. So as you got in here, you'll average out around these two highs right here. Okay, got it? Cool. So let's say if it kept going down, it broke this support level, you just average out completely. So my beautiful friends, you just literally made a profit, like a really nice profit. simply from trading like this. So it's super simple once you get it, and you can just rinse and repeat. You could easily, I took $1,000 during coronavirus, turned it to $10,000 in a week. And that's just simple. That's working probably 2 to 3 hours on the computer every day. But if you were to work like 5 to 6, you can make a lot of money. So crypto billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys. We want to hold above these 9 levels today. Be the best thing. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Crypto billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.